Hello students, today we are going to discuss some problems on scalar product or dot product of two vectors. In the previous video we have discussed about scalar product and dot product. Now we are going to discuss some problems on this topic. So let us consider a question. In this question we have two vectors and we have to find the angle between two vectors I minus 3j plus 2k and 2I plus j minus k. This is the question. In this question we have to find out the angle between these two vectors. All of you know that the angle between two vectors is given by cos theta. Cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B divided by mod A mod B. Here first vector is taken as vector A. This is equal to I minus 3j plus 2k. And the second vector is taken as B, 2I plus j minus k. Then the angle between these two vectors is given by this formula. Now A dot B means dot product of these two vectors. I minus 3j plus 2k dot 2I plus j minus k divided by modulus of I minus 3j plus 2k modulus of 2I plus j minus k. Now the dot product is done by element wise, and first component is means I component is multiplied with I component, that means we get 1 into 2 2 minus 3 minus 2 divided by modulus of this is equal to under root 1 plus 9 plus 4 into modulus of this is 4 plus 1 plus 1, and we take modulus of whole value, because angle between two vectors is always taken as acute angle, so we have to take the positive value of this. Now this is equal to minus 3 modulus of minus 3 becomes 3 by under root 14 into under root 6. So we can write it as 14 6 under root 14 into 6. Now we can take it to outside the square root. So this becomes 7 3 21. So angle between the two vectors is given by this. That means theta is equal to cos inverse 3 upon 2 under root 21. It is clear, students? Now consider one more question. So the question is find projection of I minus j on I plus j. We have to find out the projection of this vector on this vector. Let us consider vector A equal to I minus j and vector B is equal to I plus j. Now projection of vector A on vector B. This is given by vector A dot B cap. That means vector A is multiplied with unit vector of B. This can also be written as vector A dot vector B divided by modulus of vector B. So we can write vector A, which is I minus j dot I plus j divided by modulus of B, which becomes 1 plus 1. Now the dot product of these two is 1 minus 1 divided by under root 2. This is equal to 0. Thus the projection of this vector on this vector is 0. It is clear, students? Now consider one more question. Here the next question is, there are three vectors. Vector A is equal to 2i plus 2j plus 3k, 2i plus 2j plus 3k, and vector B is equal to, this vector is minus I plus 2j plus k, minus I plus 2j plus k, and vector C is equal to, this vector is 3i plus j, 3i plus j. Now the question is that if A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C, if A plus lambda B is perpendicular to C, then we have to find the value of lambda. So the question is A plus B is perpendicular to vector C, then we have to find out the value of lambda. Now for finding the value of lambda, first of all we find A plus lambda B. A plus lambda B, because A plus lambda B is perpendicular to vector C. This implies, students, all of you know that if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. So dot product of these two vectors becomes 0. Now A plus lambda B, A is added with lambda times of B. So what we get? 2i plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda times of minus I plus 2j plus k dot 3i plus j. This is equal to 0. Now this can be written as 2 minus lambda I, 2 plus 2 lambda j, and 3 plus lambda k dot 3i plus j is equal to 0. Now the dot product is 0. The dot product of these two is calculated by component wise. I component is multiplied with I component, 2 minus lambda into 3 plus 2 plus 2 lambda into 1 plus 0 is equal to 0. So this can be written as 6 minus 3 lambda plus 2 plus 2 lambda is equal to 0. What we get? Lambda equal to 8. This is the value of lambda. It is clear, students? Now consider one more question. So students, the question is that if A, B, C are unit vectors, if vector A, vector B, vector C are unit vectors, and vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0, vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0 vector. Now we have to find out the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. We have to find out the value of this. So students, we know that because vector A dot vector A is equal to modulus A square. All of you know A dot A is equal to modulus of A square. So we using this for this. Now A plus B plus C dot A plus B plus C, this is equal to modulus of A plus B plus C square. By using this formula we can write it as, and the value of A plus B plus C is 0 vector, so this can be written as 0 dot 0 is equal to, now we expand this by using the identity A plus B plus C square. This is equal to mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square plus twice A dot B plus twice B dot C plus twice C dot A. Now 0 dot 0 becomes 0 is equal to, here A, B, C are unit vectors, so modulus of A, B, C becomes 1. So we can write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, and we can take common from this, we can write A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A, because modulus of A equal to 1 equal to modulus of B, and this is also modulus of C, because A, B, C are unit vectors. So we can write it as minus 3 is equal to 2 times of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Then we get the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. This value is equal to minus 3 by 2. It is clear, students? Now we are going to discuss one more question. So the student, the question is that show that A having the coordinates 1, 2, 7, comma B 2, 6, 3, and C having the coordinates 3, 10, minus 1 are collinear. The 3 points A, B, C, we have to prove these points are collinear. Students, all of you know that if 3 points are collinear, then all the 3 points lie on the same line. So we can try. First of all, we find vector AB. Consider O as origin, then position vector of A is OA, position vector of B is OB, and position vector of C is OC. Now AB can be written as OB minus OA. So this can be written as 2 minus 1, I, 6 minus 2, 4J, 3 minus 7, minus 4K. Similarly, vector BC is equal to vector OC minus vector OB, and this is equal to 3 minus 2I, 10 minus 6 4J, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4K. That means vector AB is equal to vector BC. Vector AB and vector BC are equal. This shows that A, B, C are collinear. Because vector AB and BC are parallel vectors, AB equal to BC. And this is possible only if these 3 points are collinear. So we can write A, B, C are collinear. It is clear, students? Now for today we are leaving the topic here. In the next video we will discuss the vector product. Okay students, thank you.